Hello and welcome to the 237th edition of the weekly Shurini TV News Bulletin. Here we get you the latest news straight from the campus. I am Binay and here are the headlines for this week. National Law Fest 3.0 held to celebrate legal excellence. Samriti Mantha to shine at Republic Day Parade 2025. Curiosity 2024 quiz enters the semi-final round. Stellar Astronomy Workshop organized to inspire students. Shulini University organized National Law Fest 3.0, hosting over 100 delegates from across India. To get more insight into this collaboration, let's go to Ria for further details.
The Center for Clinical Legal Education at Shulini University organized its National Law Fest 3.0, hosting over 100 delegates from across India. The three-day event aimed at bringing the gap between theoretical legal studies and practical training.
The event opened with a welcome address by the Professor Nandan Sharma, Associate Dean of Faculty of Legal Sciences. Advocate Rajiv Chauhan set the tone by guiding participants on the competition's rules and regulations. Chief guest Dr. Preeti Saxena, Vice Chancellor of Himachal Pradesh National Law University, argued students to uphold ethical practices in their legal careers. Guest of honor, Advocate Piyush Verma, emphasized the importance of intellectual rigor in the face of technological advancements.
The fest featured a range of competition from moot court to crime scene investigation, offering students a platform to showcase their legal acumen. Several universities excelled in these events, setting benchmarks for innovation and analytical skills.
Asian Law College Noida emerged victorious in the moot court competition, while Mangalyatan University Jabalpur secured the runner-up position. Savitha School of Law, Tamil Nadu won the Best Memorial Award and Manipal University Jaipur was recognized as Best Speaker. In the crime scene investigation competition, Himachal Pradesh University demonstrated expectational investigation skill, securing the top spot with MAT University, Punjab as the runner-up. Meanwhile, KIIT School of Law, Odisha claimed the vlog writing competition title for their well-researched entry, and Chandigarh University excelled in legal opinion writing.
The fest concluded with a detailed report by Dr. Renupal Sood highlighting the participants' dedication and the organizers' efforts. A vote of thank you by Advocate Rajiv Chauhan marked the successful end of the vibrant legal conclave.
Thank you, Ria. Moving ahead, Shulini University's undergraduate student from the School of Liberal Arts has earned the prestigious honor of representing the HP Battalion NCC Solan at Republic Day Parade 2025 in New Delhi. Avantika will tell us more about it.
Shulini University, Samriti Mantha, an undergraduate student from the School of Liberal Arts, has earned the prestigious honor of representing the HP Battalion NCC Solan at the Republic Day Parade 2025 in New Delhi. It is a moment of immense pride for her, her university and her state of Himachal Pradesh.
Samriti's selection for the Republic Day Parade is a result of her unwavering dedication, discipline and determination. As the only cadet chosen from her battalion, this milestone reflects her exceptional abilities and relentless spirit. Samriti's journey to this prestigious event involved months of rigorous training, including intensive physical fitness tests, demanding parade drills and leadership evaluations. Overcoming self-doubt and exhaustion, she pushed her limits and emerged stronger. Her participation in cultural activities highlighted Himachal Pradesh's rich heritage, making her journey both a personal and a cultural triumph.
Shulini University, Samriti Mantha, an undergraduate student from the School of Liberal Arts, has earned the prestigious honor of representing the HP Battalion NCC Solan at the Republic Day Parade 2025 in New Delhi. It is a moment of immense pride for her, her university and her state of Himachal Pradesh.
Thank you, Avantika. Now we have a report on quarterfinals of Curiosity 2024. This milestone is a celebration of passion and dedication. Gurudeep will tell us more about it.
The quarterfinals of Curiosity 2024 are now underway, bringing together over 250 of the brightest minds from across India. These young achievers are vying for just 35 semi-final spots in one of the country's most prestigious student quizzes. This milestone is a celebration of the passion and dedication that have gone into making Curiosity a platform of excellence. From the preliminary rounds to this critical stage, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Among the schools that have made their mark in the competition are Chafli School Shimla, DAV Ambuja Vidya Niketan Public School Dalaghat, and the Assam Valley School Balipara. Others like Carmel Convent School Chandigarh and Alcon International School East Delhi have also secured their spots in the semi-finals. The intense competition showcased not just the depth of the knowledge but also the spirit of teamwork and resilience among participants. As the competition heats up, the journey to the semi-finals promises to be even more exhilarating. Let's continue to cheer on these young prodigies and celebrate the essence of Curiosity 2024.
Thanks, Gurudeep, for the comprehensive report. We now have a report on Shillong University's collaboration with HIMCOSTE and the Indian Planetary Society. Let's go to Janvi for the more information on this workshop.
Shillong University, in collaboration with HIMCOSTE and the Indian Planetary Society, organized a captivity astronomy workshop and sun watching event at the Science Museum in Anandpur, Shogi.
The workshop, coordinated by Professor S.S. Chandel, Vice President of the Indian Planetary Society and Director of the Center of Excellence in Energy Science and Technology at Shillong University, offered a rare opportunity to explore the marvels of astronomy. Participants were treated to a hand-on session led by Sam Gibbies, a distinguished astronomy educationist from the UK. Using a state-of-the-art 80 mm Skywatcher reflector telescope with a quad Daystar hydrogen alpha filter, Gibbies provided a mesmerizing view of solar phenomena, including prominent sunspots and filaments.
Professor Ashish Khosla, President of Innovation and Marketing at Shillong University, highlighted the power of astronomy in inspiring young minds to venture into the world of science.
Thank you, Janvi. And now, before signing off, we have RJ Harman to inform you about the upcoming radio shows.
Hi, hello, namaste. I am Harmanpreet Singh and will be telling about the upcoming shows on the radio Shillong. Logical Baatein with Illogical Lisa by RJ Lisa, Kitabi Baatein by RJ Sakshi, Sapne by RJ Shruti. Enjoy these shows on Radio Shillong. Radio Shillong, Awaaz Wadiyon Ki.
That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. We shall bring you the next edition in the coming Friday. Till then, stay tuned.